To fix the error code F34 on a Miele washing machine, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The code indicates an issue with the door lock system, which can be caused by faulty wiring, a defective door lock, or a faulty control board. To resolve this issue, start by checking the door lock and wiring. Begin by turning off the washing machine and the circuit breaker, as this will also reset the control board and potentially fix the problem. Next, open the door and remove the door seal clamp on the outside. Then unclip the door seal and take out the door lock. Inspect the wires carefully for any signs of damage. If all the wires are in good condition and well connected, it may be necessary to replace the door lock. If replacing the door lock and wiring does not resolve the issue, the control board may be defective. To check the control board, disconnect the unit from the power cord and use a screwdriver to remove the top cover by unthreading the 2 back screws. Follow the connections to the control panel at the back and ensure they are firm, with no damaged wires. If signs of wear and tear are evident, it may be necessary to replace the control board, in which case it is recommended to have a professional perform the repairs to avoid causing further damage to the washing machine.